Today I'm going to teach you how to edit product variation prices in Woocommerce. If you're running an online store with products that come in different sizes, colors, or styles, being able to quickly update those variation prices is essential for keeping your inventory current and competitive. First, open your web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can access all your site management tools. After logging in, take a look at the left navigation menu. You'll see various options listed there, and what you're looking for is the Woocommerce menu. This is your main hub for managing everything related to your online store, from products to orders to settings within the Woocommerce menu. Click on Products. This will expand the menu to reveal additional options. From these expanded choices, click on All Products. This action will display a complete list of every product currently listed in your Woocommerce store, making it easy to locate the specific item you need to modify. You'll now see all your products displayed on the screen. To edit a specific product's variations, hover your cursor over the product you want to work with. When you do this, you'll notice several action buttons appear beneath the product name. Among these options, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the full product editing interface where you can make detailed changes. Once the product editor loads, scroll down the page until you locate the product data section. This is a crucial area where all the technical details of your product are managed. Within this section, you'll find a tab labeled Variations. Click on this Variations tab to access all the different versions of your product. You'll now see a list of all the variations associated with this product. Each variation represents a different combination of attributes, like a small blue shirt or a large red shirt. To edit the pricing for any variation, click on the Edit option next to the variation you want to modify. This will expand the variation menu, revealing fields where you can adjust the price, stock status, and other important details. Take your time here to make all the necessary adjustments to ensure your pricing is accurate. Once you finish making your changes to the variation prices, scroll back up to the top of the page. Look for the Update button, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will save all your modifications and ensure they're reflected on your live store. And that's it. You've successfully updated your product variation prices in Woocommerce, giving you full control over your store's pricing structure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.